cap labeled 18-0 stainless steel. Rusted after just 3 months, yet the seller insists it meets standards. Today, we'll expose the industry's dirty secrets with hard data. True 18/8 stainless steel 304 grade contains 18% chromium plus 8% nickel, meeting food grade standards, but beware. It's not compatible with induction stoves, non-magnetic, and corrodes with prolonged salt exposure. Why do surgical scalpels and submarine components exclusively use 18/10? The secret is 10% nickel plus 2% molybdenum. It resists seawater and disinfectants, but costs 50% more. Sellers claim 18/0 means nickel-free alive. Tests show it contains 0.75% nickel, making it cheap 430 steel that rusts easily. Never use it for cookware. For industrial use, 18/8 suits general structures, while 18/10 is for precision medical devices. LSS X-ray detectors ensure 100% material authenticity, guaranteeing part longevity. Remember, 18/8 offers the best value. 18/10 is for professionals, and 18/0 should be avoided. Need customization? LS provides 24-hour free material consultations. Click the link below.